As mentioned previously, the model is where you do all of your design work at 1:1 full size. The layout tabs are where you set out your design intent so that you can communicate that information. So if I click on GA1 there, you can see there is a general arrangement there with your company name and perhaps the drawing name, a title block, and a viewport so that you can set that to a known scale. Now at the moment that viewport there, when I click on it, you can see is not at a known scale. It's at 0.010723. So if I click there and make that say 1 to 100, that is now a recognized scale. I'll just hit escape there, and that viewport now is at exactly 1 to 100. So everything in the model space there now is 1/100th of its original size on the sheet of paper. Now what you would do there as well in your layout tabs is you might name your drawing along the lines of the tab name itself. So that's GA1. So what I might do there is select that text like so, right click, and I can edit that text by selecting edit on the shortcut menu. And what that will let me do is it will bring in the on-screen editor. As you can see, the text is now highlighted, and I might change that to general arrangement. And again, make sure you spell things correctly. It's always good. So general arrangement 1, GA1. There is a spell check on AutoCAD, so you can check your spelling. And I'll press enter once to confirm that. Job done. Enter again to come out of the edit command itself. So that's my general arrangement 1. Now I have got other layout tabs set up to different scales. So I've got my door arrangement here. So what I might do there's my door arrangement. Notice the hatching is currently showing now on the door arrangement that I've added already. So what I might do there, again, this is at a known scale. So I'm going to click on the viewport there. That's at 1 to 10. So what you might want to put here, hit escape there to deselect that viewport, click on the text, or you can just double click on the text and that will go straight into edit mode. So I'm in my layout tab now, and I need to tell people in my layout tab what this drawing is, and it's the door arrangement. So you're going to put in there door arrangement like so, but then you might put the scale as well. So you might put space 1:10 to show that you know the scale as well. Press enter to finish, and then enter again to come out of the edit text command. So you've now communicated your design intent there completely using your layout tab. The layout tab is called door arrangement. Title of the drawing is also door arrangement, but it's saying that it's 1 to 10. Now we know that that's at 1 to 10 because when we click on the viewport there, it tells us it's 1 to 10 there on the status bar. Hit escape to deselect, and we'll just go quickly to the window detail now. And there's 2 window details in here. So what it might be worth doing there is checking the scales. Are they at recognized scales? Yes, that one's at 1 to 20 there, and it's also locked. Hit escape to deselect. That one there is at 1 to 10, and it's also locked. Remember, we locked those viewport scales when we looked at viewport scaling. So hit escape there to deselect, and again, it's a window detail drawing. So you're going to select the text by double clicking and type there window detail. Now you wouldn't put the scale there because there's 2 scales. So press enter twice, and again, you've communicated your design intent by saying that this particular tab is a window detail. Says it on the tab, says it on the drawing. You're now a lot more organized and people understand what your design is. That's of windows. There's your door arrangement there. GA1 is your general arrangement 1, showing the boundary of the property that the building resides in. So that's what your layout tabs are for. You've got your design here in the model tab, and your layout tabs allow you to communicate that design in a fundamental and easy to understand format for anybody using the drawings.